Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly exciting for you. The all-new 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser GXL. Toyota has taken this legendary SUV to the next level, blending off-road toughness with premium luxury and cutting-edge technology. Stay with us as we break down everything you need to know about this beast, from its bold new design to its powerful performance and smart features. Let's start with the exterior design. At first glance, the 2026 Land Cruiser GXL looks more aggressive and modern than ever before. The bold front grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, gives it an unmistakable road presence. The sculpted body lines, muscular fenders, and premium alloy wheels enhance its rugged yet refined look. Toyota has also updated the rear profile, featuring stylish LED taillights and a robust bumper design, making the GXL stand out in any environment, whether in the city or out on a wild adventure. Now stepping inside, the interior is where Toyota has really stepped up its game. The 2026 Land Cruiser GXL offers a first-class driving experience with high-quality materials, luxurious finishes, and state-of-the-art technology. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with heated and ventilated functions, ensuring maximum comfort in any weather. The dashboard is dominated by a huge 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded navigation system. The fully digital driver display offers real-time driving data with customizable settings. Toyota has also added ambient lighting, giving the cabin a sophisticated and high-tech feel. Let's talk about the heart of this machine. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Land Cruiser GXL is powered by a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque, while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. This powertrain is paired with a smooth yet powerful automatic transmission, ensuring effortless driving on both highways and rugged trails. Toyota has enhanced the full-time 4WD system, along with multi-terrain select and adaptive suspension, making this SUV a true off-road champion. Whether you're climbing rocky terrains, driving through deep sand, or cruising on the freeway, the Land Cruiser GXL is engineered to handle it all with ease. Safety is another area where Toyota has left no stone unturned. The 2026 Land Cruiser GXL comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360 surround view camera. The automatic emergency braking system ensures safety in unexpected situations, while the advanced parking assist makes maneuvering this big SUV effortless, even in tight city spaces. No matter where your journey takes you, the new Land Cruiser GXL has got your back with its top-tier safety technology. When it comes to comfort and practicality, the Land Cruiser GXL doesn't disappoint. The spacious 3-row seating ensures plenty of room for your family and friends. The second and third row seats can be adjusted or folded to create ample cargo space, making it perfect for road trips or outdoor adventures. Toyota has also improved the climate control system, ensuring passengers remain comfortable regardless of external weather conditions. Plus, with features like wireless charging, USB-C ports, and a premium JBL sound system, long drives just became even more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about what everyone wants to know: the price and release date. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser GXL is expected to hit showrooms by late 2025, with a starting price of around $70,000 USD. It will be available in multiple trims, including the high-performance GR Sport and the luxurious Sahara, catering to different needs and preferences. If you're as excited as we are, keep an eye out for pre-orders opening soon. So, what do you think of the brand new 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser GXL? Do you love the upgrades? Is this the ultimate off-road luxury SUV? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe